Oracle Application Express, in short form APEX, enables you to design, develop, and deploy beautiful, responsive, database-driven application using only your web browser. Cool, isn't it? But in this course, we are not going to learn how to build web application. Instead, we only consider about the SQL workshop in APEX. So, let's get started. Normally, when you finish the database installation, you will have desktop shortcut called Get Started with Oracle Database Express Edition. Click on that. If you get any error, open up the Get Started URL, which locates in where you install the Oracle Database Server. In my case, it's Oracle ex/app/oracle/product/11.2.0/server, and check whether the connection port has set to 8080. Once you open up the URL, click on the Application Express tab. Then log in as sysuser. There are some other tabs like Storage, Sessions, Parameters, which give you information about the database table space, session information, and etc., which more related to the daily administration. We can ignore these for the moment. In the Application Express tab, you can create new APEX workshop for new user or existing user. Since we already have user HR, let's use HR for APEX login. Select existing user option button, then give the database name. Either you can type database name or select it from list of values. Give the username and password. Then click on the Create Workshop button and login. Click on the SQL workshop and then SQL command. Now you can type any SQL command and click the Run button to execute. Okay, now you know how to install database, install SQL Developer and APEX. You can use whatever interface to execute your SQL command. That is command prompt, SQL Developer, or APEX SQL Workshop. In next lesson, you're going to learn some fundamental things like what is a table, how it stores data, what is primary key, foreign key, and etc. If you already have knowledge about these topics, you can jump straight away to the next lesson after next one.